Spectrum modems have a reset button that serves two main functions: reboot and factory reset. A reboot, or power cycle, restarts the modem without erasing your settings. It's ideal for resolving temporary issues like slow internet or Wi-Fi drops. To perform a reboot, press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds until the lights flash or the modem restarts. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores the modem to its original manufacturer settings, wiping all user data and configurations. This is a last resort for persistent issues like corrupted firmware or forgotten admin passwords. To perform a factory reset, press and hold the reset button for 30 to 60 seconds until the lights indicate a full reset, such as a solid amber or red light. Be aware that a factory reset requires you to reconfigure your modem, potentially losing service temporarily. Use a reboot for intermittent connectivity problems, after firmware updates, or to clear the modem's cache. It's a quick and non-destructive solution. A factory reset should only be used when a reboot doesn't solve the problem, or when you need to erase all personal settings, such as before selling the modem. It's crucial to remember that performing a factory reset will erase your custom Wi-Fi network name and password, requiring you to set them up again. Also, avoid performing resets during active downloads or critical work, as this can disrupt your connection. Consider using the My Spectrum app for remote reboots and diagnostics if possible. If issues persist, it's always best to contact Spectrum support for assistance.